Hi, it's Gary, and I want to talk to you about why you shouldn't be reducing your fees, your charges, your hourly rate, the price that you charge to your clients, and why now, in these uncertain times, is the time where you need to stick to your guns. You need to make sure that you charge the same amount that you have always charged. And if you're not currently charging as a mortgage broker, then you should be considering charging a fee for your services. So yesterday I did a post to my community because I was running some numbers, because someone did actually message me saying, look, I'm charging a fee, I think business is going to drop off, and I think realistically, it's going to have a massive impact on my business. I'm a one-man band, I'm a sole trader, and I really need to make sure that I keep some income coming in for my family, and I think I can get more business by not charging a fee. And if you're a coach, consultant, physiotherapist, although you're going to be struggling at the moment because social distancing means you can't touch people. But if you're in that environment, coach, consultant, mortgage broker, will writer, financial advisor, the scary thought when your income is potentially going to drop is, I need to reduce my fees in order to be able to get more business. But as I worked out yesterday, let's take this scenario. It's now the time to actually continue charging your fees and to really value your service. Because if 52 clients, let's just say one mortgage a week, and this relates to you no matter what business you are in, but let's just say that 52 clients you're charging or earning £1,500 from, that's going to be £78,000 for a year, which is a good income for a mortgage broker if you get your business right and if you do a full and proper job of broker fee, mortgage, life insurance, critical illness, income protection, etc. Good morning, Michael. Thanks for the comment. Yeah, it's a fine line. If anybody agrees with me or has any thoughts as I go through this as well, stick a comment below. Let me know what you think. So 52 clients, 1,500 quid, 78 grand a year. That's half of actually what the active mortgage, my brokerage case value is, based on the clients that we're dealing with and the size of mortgages that we're doing and the fees that we're charging. So if your business were to drop by 50% because of the economic climate that we're currently in, then 50% of that, half, is going to be £39,000 for the year. Now if you go and turn around and remove your $499 broker fee straight from the off, that's going to be just over £13,000. Well, I believe every single mortgage broker should be charging at least $499 for their service, no matter what size the mortgage. It's about the job is way harder than it was back in 2008 when I first started doing it. 2003 when I first started doing it. Even in Alexander Hall in London back in sort of 2003, 2004 time, they were still charging $499 at that point in time. And the job is a lot harder now post credit crunch than it ever has been. Good morning, Chris. Thanks for tuning in, my friend. Akil, nice to see you. So let's just assume then you do decide to remove your fees and you only manage to lose 25% of your actual business. Well, that's going to give you 39 mortgage applications, which is going to be £39,000 per year. So hang on a minute. 52 cases a year at 1,500 quid is going to be 78 grand. Now, if I continue to charge my fee and I only manage to get half of that business because other brokers are coming in going, I'm fee free, I'm going to do 39 grand. Or what you can do is you can stop charging a fee completely. You might only then lose 25% of your business. Well, actually, you're going to end up writing the same 39 grand because 39 applications at £1,000 is 39 grand. But hang on, let's think about this logically, because in a mortgage world, and this is where you've got to allocate your time within your own role and then within your own business, if you're doing 13 extra clients, 13 extra mortgage applications, in a mortgage world, it can take 16 to 20 hours to process a full mortgage application from day number one beginning right the way through to the end when collecting the keys. So that's actually an extra 195 to 260 hours of processing your mortgage based on those 13 applications that you're losing. But what you're also, I know some of you are going to argue, well, hang on a minute, as a lot of fee-free brokers do, that's 13 more chances of referrals, lifetime client value. But actually, the clients that they're referring aren't going to refer you a fee either. So you're massively reducing your value. So those 195 hours to 260 hours, what I would urge you to do is actually take that time into your own personal development, your own business knowledge, launching new products, moving your services online, contacting existing clients and trying to go through and update their circumstances and their processes and having better relationships with your existing clients. Start learning how to implement social media, doing video, producing content, improving your own knowledge around will writing, equity release, other strategies and tools and tips and things that you can implement into your business after the apocalypse has ended. Getting new qualifications. There's so much more time that you can utilize on the back end of this scenario that's actually going to add more value to your business over the long term. And I would urge anybody to keep their fees the same, take the 50% of business that you might well have, but maintain that level of standard, and the time that you're saving, investing it into your own personal development, business development, growth, new product areas, etc. Because that's going to be way more valuable to you in the long run. If you can make cutbacks on your income, on your expenditure, on your livelihood, on your office rent, etc., then that's going to have a bigger impact going forward. Now, Jayan has just said, and remember what you save them, time. Time is so precious, as well as knowledge. They simply don't have. Plus, what could you save them over the term of the mortgage? Add value, the fee won't be questioned. 100%, Jayan. That's exactly my thought. I value my service, I value my knowledge. I know that many of my mentees do within the Mortgage Pro Academy, and it's just one of those really important things that if you're not charging current fees, what actually happens, Johnny, one of my mentees, made a really good comment, which was actually, what will happen now is everybody who is charging a broker fee will continue to charge a broker fee in our mortgage world, and this relates across the all industries. The people who continue to charge their fees, they'll take the reduction in the business. They've got good client banks of people who have already bought into the service and the value that they provide. They will continue to refer more people to them or to us. And what will happen is all those non-fee charging brokerages and all those people who are undercutting you won't be able to make the money to live. So therefore they're going to bugger off now, which is going to make more business available to you in any case. So in actual fact, it's a time to dig your heels in and stand by your values and your morals and make sure that you are charging. Because when you get to the other side of this, you're going to be fitter, faster, stronger, leaner, healthier in your mind and in your business, ready to go forward into the new world. And then what will happen over the course of the next however many months after this is all finished is all those non-fee charging brokers and all those people who have left your industry with reduced fees will suddenly start coming back out of the woodwork, coming back in and devaluing the service that you provide. But by which point you would have excelled yourself. The time that you've saved, you would have added in additional skills, additional knowledge, additional areas to your business, new brands, new marketing, new lead generation, that actually you will be 3, 4, 5 steps ahead. In these times of adversity and difficulty, or when millionaires and billionaires are made, or when new industries launch, or when businesses grow, and the best people stay as they are, they might pivot and they might change, but the business that they're doing now doesn't change. They take the little bit of a reduction, the time that they're saving, they invest into new areas and new markets. And I would urge everybody to look at the opportunity, have a growth mindset, and to not be fearful and scared. But if you are, then that's a time when, particularly if you're a mortgage broker, I can help you, I can get you through to the other side, I can help you to build your business. There's a great community that are doing it inside the academy, and it's just a way in which I can support you, coach you and mentor you. We've got scripts, we've got templates, we're going to be doing some fee training and discussing it in great detail to make sure that everybody improves their knowledge, their mindset, their business, their marketing, their process, their sales, all over the coming months to make sure that the business is streamlined and ready for growth on the other side of this, no matter what that means to you. I'm a big advocate of a lifestyle business. Everybody has a different interpretation of what lifestyle means to you. It's just about making sure that you know where you're going, setting the destination in the sat nav, knowing what the end goal is, and then building the business that helps you to get there and achieve it. So I hope this has been useful for you. Let me know what you think in relation to your industry, in relation to your business, the service that you're providing. If you're doing online courses, don't reduce your prices. Take less people into your courses and give a better service to the ones that you are working with, because they will get more results. On the other side of this, you'll have more testimonials. which in turn will enable you to, or better testimonials, bigger testimonials, because it's much better to get double the result with less people than it is to try and spread yourself thinly. That's why generally you have top end of the funnel where you help a lot of people, but slowly as you go down, you start to increase your prices and work more closely and provide more value to people as they get more of your time. So I hope that helps. I hope that inspires you. Have a fantastic day. And remember, now's the time to become pro.